In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best Fashion Nova discount codes. So with that in mind, let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Fashion Nova discount codes. After that, as you can see, we have this website which is called couponfollow.com. You can open this website, and as you can see right here, we have some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, right here, if you want to get this one with 10% discount, simply tap on this promotion right here and the promo code will show up. You can simply tap right here to copy the promo code, and if you apply this one on your next purchase, you will get the 10% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called simplycodes.com, and right here we also have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use. So for example, if you want to get this one with 10% discount off site-wide, all you need to do right here is simply tap on this option copy code, and the promo code will show up right here. You can tap on copy button and you can copy this promo code and use it on your next purchase to get this 10% discount. So this is all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.